Say never. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Sadly, we are making another video about Mullen Automotive, and today the stock is down 8 percentage points, trading at $1.69. If you are invested in this stock, please take your time. I'm not trying to scare you, but just take your time, sit down, and rethink your financial goals. Do some due diligence and try to find out what exactly is going on with the company, where in a market where everybody is moving away from fossil fuels to alternative fuel vehicles, the red hot EV segment has companies like Tesla, Rivian going up in value, but Mullen Automotive is tanking. So that tells you there's something fundamentally wrong with the company. People are not investing in the company, and it has basically become what you can call a speculative stock at this point. True to my words, as I'm saying, don't be surprised tomorrow you come and check on Mullen Automotive and it's up like 80 or 90 percentage points. But all of that will be most likely speculative because the facts don't back the rhetoric that the leadership of the company is putting out there. So please do your due diligence before you put your hard-earned money in the stock market. So the catalyst for yesterday's drop in the share price of Mullen Automotive, at least from my perspective, was the fact that they were trying to bring battery manufacturing in-house. Now, just building the vehicle, the models that they've shown in itself, it's a huge task. I'm not the only one saying it. Check out channels like MKBHD. He made one very interesting video about EV manufacturers and how they have this huge thing about doing reservations, and people drop serious money to get in line to buy the vehicles as soon as production starts. But many of the companies have failed to follow through and actually produce vehicles. I'm not saying that Mullen Automotive is one of those companies, but I'm saying that the challenges that people face and companies face, even if they have the best of people, makes it such that for certain tasks like building the battery packs, which is a very, very complex and complicated process, many companies would prefer to sublet that work to companies that are more competent and are solely focused on producing battery packs that will not overheat, that will not spontaneously explode into flames, and that have the kind of appropriate cooling system. It took Tesla many years to come up with the battery designs that they use in their vehicles now. They had to redesign cooling systems, the pumps for the coolant, make the battery pack quite stiff, and also make it quite resistant to puncture as you drive along the road. It took them a lot of years, and even then they still had to sublet some of the work to well-known battery manufacturers who had been doing batteries for many decades. So when Mullen Automotive wants to do everything by itself, for me it just tells me that either they're biting more than they can chew, or they're trying to obfuscate something. So again, I don't have the facts right here in my hands, but I'm telling you that I would rather have a company that's transparent and would say, hey, we can't do all of the above by ourselves. We are still a young company. We will focus on the core of our business, which is building the vehicle itself. But the drivetrain, we can outsource it from one of the global manufacturers. There are many German companies that produce very powerful drivetrains for EV manufacturers worldwide. For a battery tech, we are also going to go out and shop on the global marketplace and get batteries that fit the characteristics of the vehicles and what we're trying to achieve. So I get worried when they bring all of that in-house and it's not open to any outside scrutiny. Like, how many batteries are you guys building? How many battery packs have you built? Are the battery packs resilient? Are they prone to fires? How many cycles have they gone through? All of those, we don't have them because now everything will be done in-house. So do be careful where you put your hard-earned money. And again, don't take any advice from me. I'm not certified to give any financial advice. I just talk about the stocks that catch my eye. So yeah, Mullen Automotive down 7.06% and trading at $1.70. You can see the monthly, how it came down from about $4.13 all the way down to where it is at right now. So quite a huge loss for people who were invested back then. And if you go even 6 months back, it's even worse, because at a certain point, November in 2021, they were trading at about $13, and now they're trading at $1.71. So be careful out there, guys. Think about giving me the thumbs up and also subscribing to the channel. That's the singular way in which you can most help me out and keep me to help me keep the videos coming. I will catch you guys on the next video, and thanks for joining me.